Alright guys, I came out here and jumped on it. Got the yard cut. I didn't, Mom did. But man, I came out here and jumped on it. We got a problem. We gotta pull the motor back up. Just simple as that. Gotta pull the bitch back up. The free plug behind that motor mount down now. Man, the bitch leaking. So I'm gonna see if I can remove this fuel pump. I was about to take the head off. And I know I gotta take that air conditioner line off. And my hoses and stuff right here. Which is fine. But I'm finna see if I can pull that, just pull this off, lift it up in the air, we'll tilt it sideways, and see if I be able to actually change the free plug like that if I can get the motor up high enough. I may can, I may can't. If I can't, then I gotta take both motor mount bolts and straight up in the air. It's a fucking headache, man. This car is giving me a fucking headache. I ain't gonna lie. That carburetor shitty. Man, the gas tank is dirty as fuck, so I'm gonna have to take that down and clean it out. Man, it's a lot. It's a lot going on. It's a process, man. Then these dumb fucks to cut all of the fucking tail light wires. So I gotta rewire all that shit in. But I still don't want to sell it, so that's great. So that's great. If I can't actually get this motor here situated, I'm gonna throw that bitch in the fucking woods down here. I'm gonna literally take that motor out and throw that bitch clean off in the wood, but it's kind of my fault because I should have been looked at that. I should have looked at the free plugs a little better, so it's my fault, you know, so I know better, and I should have looked at the free plugs when I had a chance, and I didn't do that. I didn't, so it's really my fault. So I'm finna go ahead and get this stripped off here, and as y'all can see, that gas tank is fucking filthy. That bitch is filthy, man. It's more after more after more after more. But it's cool though, man. That's why it's a project, it's a little process. I mean, ain't nothing to it. But I'm finna snatch the fuel pump off, get that bitch up in the air, go ahead and take the motor mount bolts out. Take the bit bolt off, take them 3 motor mount bolts off, and see if I can get to that free plug from there. I hope I can. I hope I can get the motor high enough, because I don't feel like taking this bitch back out. If I gotta take it out, it ain't going back in my goddamn car. Shit, not the way it is. So fuck that. All right, let's go and get it. We got it up in the air. My little brother ran off to run up here to grab another free plug. Now I gotta get this last bottom bolt off that whooping my ass. So what I did, I just took the motor mount bolt loop right here. I took the transmission on cross member bolt loop, and I just jacked up on the motor from the back end. Got a block down here on the oil pan. I really don't like putting wooden blocks or nothing on my oil pan, but shit, I swear I don't feel like taking this shit out. So with that being said, wooden block it is. So I gotta try to find the 916 to go on this thing that I got. And I got this from Harbor Freight a long time ago, man. And basically what they're gonna do is gonna allow me to get in the tight spaces with it, man. So I'm gonna try to get all that done. And I'm gonna find this real quick and take me a little break. So, all right, let's get it. All right, my little brother made it back. Got him down here. Tighten up the free plug, putting it in. I hate using them because the one with the bolt on it. All right, stop, bro. It ain't tight enough. You gotta tighten that bit down. That bit gotta pull. So basically, he's still learning. But anyway, basically what's going on, let me see. Tighten up on it. All right, put it back in there. You gotta tighten that bit. Like, tighten that bit. Get in that hole. Now, up there. Where the mount at? It right here. Alright guys, y'all hold up. I gotta get down here and show them real quick. Let's get it. Alright, so right now we're gonna go ahead and try to add some water to it and make sure that we ain't got no leaks nowhere else while we got it up in the air. So if there's any more free plugs that need to be changed, we're gonna go and change the wires in the air. Ain't no need to keep going back and forth. Alright, got bro up here, little bro working too, y'all. He working good. Alright, let's get it. Alright, we back again. We got done with the car yesterday, man, but I had so much shit going on, man. I couldn't finish up the video. I gotta get a lot of shit done to it. But we finally got it up and running, man. I know, man, it's filthy in here, but they gonna get better. Just give me a little time, y'all. I ain't no million now. I ain't even 1,000 now, so just give me a little time. Alright, let's pop this hood real quick. I gotta readjust the hood. Gotta find me 2 fenders. Gotta replace all this shit, man. As y'all can see, we got it in. Also changed the carburetor. Got a hot on here now. Much better. Everything in. If you look deep down, don't pay no attention to the wiring. I still gotta rewire some shit. You can see the free plug that we put in if you let me see if you, there you go. So it's back up and running though. It holding water. So that's all I wanted. Still gotta get the valve cover on this side situated. There's still a lot of stuff I gotta get situated. But bust out, man. I ain't started up that morning, so all the gas probably went back in the tank. So you gotta go old school with it. Turn it over a couple times, pat the gas, you feel me? Well, I don't know. Cause that's the first time I tried the carburetor. We're gonna try to bust it off without pumping the gas. That ain't gonna happen, y'all. But that worked. Let some gas get up there. She'll be just fine. Let her run for a minute. Like I say, she back up and running, but I got changed the header gaskets. They leaking real bad. Cheap eBay header gaskets. But I lost some of the bolts trying to put it in. Me just rushing. There's a couple of things gotta be changed. Don't worry, man. Like I say, one part of the head they got the way. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Monte Carlo back up and running, holding the water. Everything about pretty much good with it. So, well, as of with the motor running wild, still got a long way to go, but you know, it's a good start. I got to the point where it do run, it do drive, put a key in, go. We still got a lot of stuff we got to fix on it, so only time will tell, man. Let's get it. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your boy out of there, bitch.
I just spit it as hard as I live it, with a flow that's just so bizarre and explicit. Nobody never heard of this dude, so people just listen. Take a walk in my shoes and picture this gutter vision. G's on the blocks, chicks cooking it in the kitchen. You can come and get it, or we'll come and deliver it. You don't understand, but we keep the J shivering. Money in my hand, in my wrist, it be glittery. Rubber gloves on for the snakes, cause they slithery. Living in the drug war zone, mama, hold on. I'ma stay strong, I know it's wrong, I talk wrong, but I guarantee won't now running yo home. Living so gutter, is it the drug that I blow on? Or maybe cause I'm out the gutter here doing this show home. Duke in the pen, locked up, crippin' and low gun. I'ma keep it boss and stay stacking in 4 gun, stacking in 4 guns. Gutters when you pack a pistol grip, running in and out of houses just to stack a couple chips. What's gutters when you're switching different whips, bending many different corners, keeping laws off your hip. What's gutters when you watch your girl cry, broken glass and blood steady coming out her eye. That's gutters when she gets very well and she replies that gutter can go straight to hell. That's 2 gutters.